I'll be playing Flood Escape. I've played this before, but it's been a while, so I have to get used to it again. I think I'll go with hard, even though it is tricky. Come on, let me get in. Oh, it's just lagging. Let me try and get up. There we go. Better not touch the floor or else I'll die. Phew, I made it. Just need to wait for it to box array. I need to get up. No. Finally, phew. I think that's everyone. Now. I'm gonna die. Oh no. Ah! This time I'll equip my gravity coil. Not a trophy. Dash. How do I... There. I'm gonna try and head on to medium as quick as possible. Come on. I'll use dash. Oh, it's full. I guess I'll have to go on hard then. So I'll just wait until more people come into the lift. Now that I've got gravity coil, I've got a bit of a power up. That was a close one. Made it. Come on. It's just lagging. Just wait. I didn't die. We'll just wait for it to load. Gonna get into the intermission quickly. There we go. It's not very bouncy enough. But at least I don't have to keep doing hard for most of the times. There. Now just to wait for the other three. And we're done. Another vent. Good. Oh, I died. just gonna keep on doing lots of different rounds. But this time I'll do easy. I'll wait into this lobby over here. Ah, it's full. I'm gonna go in this one then. I should be going, it's just lagging. To get still lagging. Still it's lagging. Oh wait. Whoa, I died. Whoa. I fell in the void. I think I'll just reset. Still lagging. Just wait for the door to open. Why am I not? I'm just gonna wait till I get in. Yep, there we go, I'm in. Ready for the next round. There we go. Come on. There we go. I don't know how to get up. Don't worry, I'll do it. I'm back in a whole new server, and I think it should be less laggy for now. And just have to get my stuff back then. There we go. But I think it's still a bit laggy. Now let's just, I think we'll have to wait for one of these to finish. I'll go to medium. No, wait, I'll go to hard. When you go to hard, made it. With lots of people here, I think they should help. I died. So I'll rush over to the other side. I'll rush over there quickly. Doesn't look like any lobbies seem to be available yet, so I'll have to wait. I don't know, because no one's in hard, so I don't know. I guess I'll go to hard then. No, I'll go to easy. Oh, I'll stay at hard then. Wait, oh no, I'll exit. Then I'll go to easy. Yep. There we go. Where am I? Did I glitch? Who knows, I might win. I don't know where the map is. So... Oh no. Yep, I'm dead. I'm back. Nothing here. I think I'll just wait outside for now then. There's also more modes. And I don't know what this is. Ah, there we go. Now just to wait. Yep. I think I... Not that one. But that one. Oh. I need to get back up. I'm gonna take... No, I died. I'll do one more round and then I'll... Yeah. Stop. Flood Gannet. I'll look at this first. What's this? Oh, flood sword. No. I can't get that yet. Wait, points. No, can't get it. I think I should hurry up and get easy. Unless it's too late then. Looks like I'll wait for a while then. So let's see. Wonder how we do it though. I'll hide. I think I should just wait at medium so I don't get left behind soon. Just one more player. Alright then, I'm here. I think I'll just... Oh, done. I'll just wait here so I won't die. Where are the others? Still waiting. Wonder what's the problem. I guess I'll rejoin then. Thank you for watching and subscribe and like to our channel. Do hit the notification button and help us find more trending games that we can video.